Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I want to show you how to make a wild blueberry and lemon crumb cake. I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. And you want to start by making the crumb topping. And we want to put some softened butter, some white sugar, brown sugar, a little bit of salt, and some gluten-free all-purpose flour. And we're just going to mix that up. I'm just going to use my hands to mix it up. And that looks pretty good. So I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to get ready to show you how to make the actual crumb cake. This looks like a lot of ingredients, but really it's not that many. I mean, you've got salt and baking powder and baking soda. I mean, those little things take up space. But you want to start with just a nice bowl and mix in your gluten-free all-purpose flour blend, your salt, your baking powder, and your baking soda. And I'm just going to give that a little stir. And I'm going to set that aside. Next, you want to put in your sugar into a mixing bowl, along with your eggs, and your butter. Oh, and don't forget the brown sugar and the vanilla. And I'm just going to mix that up. Now I want to add in my yogurt. My lemon zest, and this is the zest of 2 lemons. Oh, I love the smell of lemon zest. And I zested the lemons first, and then I'm using the juice of those lemons. And then I mix that up. And that didn't take much of a mixing. I'm going to put in my blueberries. Oh, they're getting juicy. There we go. And I'm going to mix in my flour. So I just want to scrape down the bowl once, just to make sure I've got everything really well mixed. I'm going to give it one more quick mix. And that's it. So I'm going to take that off. I'm going to scrape off my paddle. There we go. And I've got muffin paper, a muffin tin lined with muffin papers. And I'm just going to spoon this into each one. I love the color of this. This is so, like, such a fun color. Now that I've filled up those, I'm just going to top them up with just a little bit more. See if I can use up the last of this dough, this batter. That looks great. Now we're going to take our crumb coating, and I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on each one. Just like this. Now that I've done all 12, I'm just going to go back around and just finish using up the crumb topping. That looks great so far. This is going to go into a preheated oven of 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. See you in a moment. These turned out really well. They took 25 minutes in my oven. Your oven might be a little bit different depending on the temperature and the environment, like how hot it is outside, but these look really good. And I was a little worried at first. I looked at them at the 15-minute mark and I'm like, oh, they're really wet. I hope they're not too wet. But no, they turned out really nicely. Let's take a closer look at them. So I'm going to peel off the paper for one of these. I've let them cool for about 15 minutes. They're cool to the touch now, so it's nice. And I think if I let it cool a little bit more, oh, look at the inside. Isn't that beautiful looking? I want to give this a try. On the bottom looks great, and I want to give this a try. Oh, I love the crunch on the top. It's so good. I love the flavor and the lemon. I can eat the whole thing. Wow. If you're looking for the recipe for this, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.